wandered down those quiet streets till way past midnight time. Streetlights painted silver shadows on the old town line. You stopped beside a wishing well and dropped a penny through. I closed my eyes and made a wish that every road led back to you. The coffee shop had locked its doors, the town was fast asleep. But somehow in that silence, every promise felt so deep. The courthouse clock rang 2 a.m. We counted every chime, and in the way you looked at me, the world stood still in time. Moonlight on Main Street, shining in your eyes. No beginning, no goodbye, beneath those southern skies. Moonlight on Main Street, hearts beating slow and free. And I still carry that night with me, like a memory that never leaves. The bridge above the river felt cold beneath the stars. You wrapped your jacket round my shoulders and healed a few old scars. I leaned into your heartbeat as the water rolled below, and for the first time in a long while, I finally felt at home. The night kept drifting softly by, the air was cool and sweet. A million little moments turning ordinary to complete. The courthouse clock was far away, but still I hear the sound of the night we found forever with